Hi all, I'm Sridevi JS. Welcome back to SJS CTET classes. So today in this video, we are going to see the pedagogical issues related topics. The first topic is nature of mathematics. Okay, so in this video, we are going to focus on the definitions of mathematics, important teaching strategies in mathematics. Then in the next video, we are going to see some previous year questions related to this. So please stay tuned for that as well. Okay, so and if you are seeing my channel for the first time, so please do subscribe, like and share. And one more important thing, the videos which I have already uploaded, right? So the links I am giving in the description box. So please do watch freely. Okay, thank you. So let's start. Okay, so math pedagogical issues, nature of mathematics first part. So now I'm going to give you some definitions. Okay, so please have it in your mind. The meaning of the word mathematics is science in which the calculations are prime. And the mathematics is a science of numbers, words, signs, etc. with which we can know about the magnitude, direction and space. Okay, then in Hindi, mathematics is known as Ganita. The meaning is thereby the science of calculations. And in Oxford Dictionary, mathematics is the science of measurement, quantity, and magnitude. And according to Marshall Edstone, mathematics is a study of abstract systems. So abstract system, concrete system, so relatedly only Marshall Edstone defined it. So it is a study of abstract system built of abstract elements. These elements are not described in concrete form. And English dictionary, according to that, mathematics is a strict sense, is an abstract science which investigate deductively the conclusions implicit in the elementary conceptions of spatial and numerical relations. Then, Webster's dictionary said, mathematics is a science of numbers and their operations, interrelations, combinations, generalizations, and abstractions, and of space configuration and their structure, measurement, transformation, and generalization. See, I must say you the keywords you can utilize so that it will be remembered to you. Okay. Then, in the words of Locke, mathematics is a way to settle in the mind and habit of reasoning. Then, according to Roger Bacon, mathematics is the gate and key of sciences. Neglection of mathematics will cause injury to all knowledge, since who is ignorant of it cannot know the other sciences or the things of the world. And what is worse, men who are thus ignorant are unable to perceive their own ignorance and so do not seek a remedy. Then, according to Hogben, mathematics is the mirror of civilization and culture. According to Bose, our entire civilization, depending on the intellectual depth and utilization of nature, has its real foundation in the mathematical sciences. According to National Education Policy 1980s, it's very, very important. Mathematics should be seen as a vehicle to train a child to think, reason, analyze, and articulate logically. It is a specific subject but can be co-cobated to any subject involving analysis and reasoning. See, according to the definition that we have learned just now, we can have the conclusions. Mathematics is science of space and number, science of calculations, science of measurement, quantity, magnitude, and it is a systematized, organized, and exact branch of science. And it is quantitative, facts, and relationship. It is an abstract form of science. The science of logical reasoning, habit of reasoning in the mind, it can cultivate an inductive experimental science, and mathematics is a science which draws necessary conclusions. Okay, and also we can understand mathematics is science of space, numbers, magnitude, and measurement. Mathematics has its own language which consists of mathematical terms, mathematical concepts, formulae, theory, principles, and sign. Mathematics involves conversion of abstract concepts into concrete form. And mathematics does not leave any doubt in the mind of learner about theories, principles, concepts, etc. Mathematics helps to develop the habit of self-confidence and self-reliance in children. Mathematics helps to development of sense of appreciation in children. Mathematics helps in developing scientific attitude in children. Then, study of maths gives training scientific methods to the children. It is a knowledge-based sense organs and it gives an accurate and reliable knowledge, right? And it is an exact, systematic, logical, and clear so that once it is acquired, it can never be forgotten. Mathematical rules, laws, formulae are universal and that can be verified at any place and time. It develops the ability to induction, deduction, and generalization. Mathematical language is well defined, useful, and clear. And it draws numerical inferences on the basis of given information and data. Mathematical knowledge is applied in the study of science and it is different branches. For example, we know that, right? Co-curricular, cross-curricular studies, physics, chemistry, biology, and other sciences. It is not only useful in different branches of science, but also helps in progress and organization. Now, so the teaching of mathematics includes various strategies and techniques. Okay, so it includes drill work, homework, home assignment, oral work, written work, group work, self-study, supervised study, review, assignment, and brainstorming. So in this video, we are going to see drill work, homework or home assignment, oral work, written work. So then the next part, we will cover the other strategies as well. Now, what related to drill? What are the advantages? Drill is based on psychological principles such as learning by doing and law of exercise. Don't forget learning by doing and law of exercise. It affords a convenient and fairly efficient medium for the rapid memorization of details. It provides an opportunity for self-learning and improvement. It improves speed, accuracy in mathematics and memory can be checked. It shall brief and distributed over a period of time. And variety of problems will make the drill interesting. Through it, people can work at different rate and at different levels according to their abilities. Learned material can be retained for a long time. It is good for beginners. So drill means the exercises that we are giving, right? After a particular topic teaching. Then it has some disadvantages also. So what are they? It's not suitable for all topics and it's not effective without good presentation. Sometimes it becomes an exercise in academic futility. That means some academic related things, if we have over exploitation can also be done. So please, it should have it in a certain period of time, certain amount of work only can be distributed. Then careful preparedness to be done by the teacher. Teacher preparedness should be very well configured. Then homework. What are the advantages? Homework in mathematics may consisting of some problems based on facts that are already taught in the classrooms, right? Then it creates a study environment in the children at home. It should be given according to the capacities of the children and it should be assessment and proper weightage should be given. Okay. Then it utilizes the leisure time of the child fruitfully. It cultivates the habit of regularity and hard work in children and provides opportunity for independent work. And it provides an opportunity for applying learned skills for children and provides a habit of self-study. It develops a sense of responsibilities and promotes the progress of the children. And what are the disadvantages? Some students involve their parents, right? So this, we are also aware of that. Student, if we are giving homework, their parents are helping more or the other tuitions or something else, someone else will be helping them. So directly the skill of the student is not revealing at certain times, not all times, right? So some students involve their parents or others to get their homework completed. Some children develop emotional tension because of homework, sometimes misused as punishment. Sometimes homeworks are misused as punishments, right? So oral work. Advantages are oral work helps in mental calculations, right? The results in having it is some time and effort through omission of certain steps. So all the steps which we require for written assignment is not that much required in the oral work, right? That is mean by. It is very easy to discover the weakness of the child through oral work in mathematics and his mistakes can be reflected. See, if we are orally asking, so the teacher is able to identify the mistake very easily because it is one-on-one discussion. Then thinking, understanding and imagination power of the child can be developed. Revision of the subject matter taught can be done quickly and students become more attentive because they will be attentive. See, if my turn comes, so teacher will be asking me. So the attentiveness will be more on this oral works. Then disadvantages also there. Keeping a record on the learnt material is difficult. For all the problems, the verbal solution is not possible. So we all know maths is a syllabus or subject which we cannot cover all the topics using oral. So written is necessary. So expressions and writing powers of these students cannot be checked properly. So through only oral assessment, we cannot, check the exact level of study of the child. Then learned material cannot be retained for a long time. So as we compared it to the written work, or as we compared it to the other mode of assessment, so the retention cannot be that much assured. Okay, then regarding written work, what are the advantages? As you know, in order to attain precision and accuracy, written work is essential in mathematics. On the basis of the psychology of the visual and auditory types, it is evident that all the children cannot get benefited from oral works alone, right? Yes, because we are in an inclusive classroom. So both oral and written work combined to make the process of instruction complete. In written work, we can make the students work in accordance with the proper rules, processes, and principle. Instruction, general instructions we are providing to them. According to them, they can write. Learning by this technique is retainable for a long time. Yes, once we write, we are telling in the class as well. Once we write, it will be registering into your brain at a certain level, right? Memory of the child can be tested, and the expression and writing power of the student can be checked properly. Yeah, see, because we have the proof of that. So it is we can kept it for a long time. Likewise, our formative and summative assessment pen paper test, right? So that we can check it properly. Then confidence in the process of learning can be developed. Mistakes can be checked properly by the teacher. So these are the main advantages. So what are the disadvantages? It is time consuming it is, and it is very much laborious in nature, and also it is not suitable for beginners, and it cannot be carried out independently without writing and oral instructions, and it is not suitable for physically handicapped children. So there are certain limitations for that as well. So in the next class, we will go to see regarding some previous year question related to this topic. Okay. So I hope you have enjoyed and listened to the important points which I have discussed with you. So please make a point of that if you feel that is necessary for you. And it will be, I said, they believe that it will be definitely helping you. Okay. So thank you, and we will see in the next class of previous year question. Okay. Thank you.